Hello everybody. Today I will be making the chickpea flan. Let me call it sweet and savory chickpea flan as I promised. So here I have 1 cup of chickpeas and I'm going to grind this up until it becomes like flour. Okay, I blended up all the chickpeas and there it is, the flour. I poured it in here, but I want to add the eggs first. I always like to put the wet in the bottom so the blades, you know, it would not have a hard time to blend. So I had to take out back the flour, so that's why you see flour still in there. And I'm going to add eggs in there. Now, for those that don't eat eggs, you don't have to add eggs. It will still harden, but it won't be as like the consistency soft as a flan. But you can add more water or you can add any choice of your milk. So I'm going to add here 4 eggs. Now I'm going to add the flour on top so that way I don't have a hard time blending it. Okay, let me put this one side. Now what I'm going to do in the same blender that I used to make the flour, I'm going to throw in there, these are pimento seeds. They're sweet pimento, so I'm putting about maybe 10 or more. I don't measure, so it's up to you how you like it. It's like a pumpkin spice. And here I have some cloves. You can add nutmeg if you wish. I'm not really fond of nutmeg. And here I'm going to add some cinnamon. And we're going to blend that up. You can add more if you wish. For me, I think that should be enough. You can also add the anise seeds. So I blend it into flour. That will go there too. Now I like to rinse this with coconut milk or whatever milk you have, almond milk, any milk you have, okay? There's no specific milk that you have to. You use what you wish. I put the milk in there and I'm gonna blend it up so all the flavor goes on that milk, because there's a lot of spices that we blend there, so that will help it. So I blend it up, or you can just shake it and then just pour it in the blender. Now we're going to add the sweetener of your choice. There goes that milk. Whichever sweetener you choose. If you want to use sugar, fine, but I'm going to use some stevia. Well, it's finished. Okay, now we're going to blend this up. Simple as that. This is the sweet and savory that I was telling you about. You can add anise, you can add anything you wish, any spices, pumpkin spice, like I said. It's your choice how you want to make it. Okay, so I'm going to blend this up and I will be back. Alright, so it's all blended. Now all we have to do is just pour it in the mold, and this is going to go in the oven for 1 hour at 400 Fahrenheit. Okay, so we're going to give it a quick spray and just pour it in there. Some in the bottom, I want to get that out. Alright, in the oven for 1 hour at 400 Fahrenheit, or until it's nice and golden. You can also add, there is also flavorings, drops like pineapple, coconut, there's so many flavors, mango. You can also put drops in there and make it different flavor, your flan. Alright, so I will be back. Okay, so here's the results. It smells so delicious. I hope you try it out. This was a very easy, quick recipe. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And hope to see you again in the next video. Comment below, thumbs up, share the video. There we go, my friends. My chickpea flan. I hope you try it out and let me know if you did it and if you liked it or not. Thank you all for watching. Bye.